Okay, at-home learners, we are ready for science today. Yesterday, we talked about how we can transform one kind of energy into another. And today, you are going to make a tree map showing the different ways that humans have learned to transform electrical energy into other types that help make our life easier or better or more convenient. So, you need to open your science lab, your science notebook in Google Drive. Go ahead and pause the video and get that opened. All right, now, hopefully you've unpaused the video. I want you to highlight the Circuit Lab 3 slide. That should be the last slide that we entered into Unit 2. So pause the video and get that done. And now that you've done that, we are going to import a slide from my science notebook. And here's how you're going to do that. You're going to click on File, Import Slides. It's always so speedy when I'm recording. It's just really slow, sorry. I know I apologize for it all the time, but it's just so much slower than when I'm not recording, which you never get to see. All right, once the presentations load, you won't see everybody's like I do, but you should see mine. And I'm going to find mine, hopefully. Oh, that looks like it right there, maybe. Okay. And then I'm going to hit select. Same thing you're going to do. You're going to find mine and then hit select. You won't have as many to choose from, I have a feeling. All right, once it opens, you're going to go to slide 21. They're numbered. So find slide 21. And it's this one that's got blue. And then we're going to hit import slides. Ooh, I don't know what's going to happen when I import slides to my own. If that'll actually work. You'd think it'd give an error, but it didn't. Okay, it actually handled it just fine. All right, I'm going to delete my second one. I don't need my second one, but you need the one that it inserted here. So let me click on it and hit it in present mode. What we need to do is I need you to think of things that would be found in a normal household around the house, things that plug in. They have to plug in. You can't use things like a light bulb. A light bulb by itself does not plug in. Somebody tried to say fireworks today. And while the fireworks does have the kind of energy they were talking about, it doesn't plug in. We're looking for some kind of device that humans have created that transforms the electrical energy that plugs into the wall into these other types. So the example I used in class was an alarm clock. And so when an alarm clock is plugged in, if I'm asleep at night and I open my eyes, I can see the clock because it is converting electrical energy into the kind that I can see with my eyes, which of course is light. But if it's 5:30 in the morning, then my alarm clock also makes a sound to wake me up. And so it's at that point, it's converting electrical energy into sound energy because it's still plugged in, so it's still electrical. So what we need to do for light energy, you need to think of 4 items around the house that convert electrical to light. For sound, 4, again, devices that you plug in that convert electrical to sound, and electrical to thermal, and electrical to mechanical. Of course, mechanical means it's got moving parts. Kitchen is a great room to think about when you're trying to think of things that have moving parts that move on their own. Not like stove handles that you turn, but like things that when you plug them in and run them, some part of them either spins or wobbles or shakes or something. The laundry room, of course, is a good place too. If I didn't say that already, I might have already said that. Couple things people were confused about. They wanted to put cars. Well, you do park the car in the garage, but we're not talking about things in the garage. We're talking about things in the other rooms of the house, maybe the bedroom, the living room, the kitchen, the bathroom, those kinds of things. What are other things that we tripped up on? Okay, a fan. Don't put fan under thermal energy. A fan makes you feel cooler, but not because it's changing the temperature in the room. What it's doing is helping the sweat that is on the outside of your body evaporate, which makes you feel cooler. But the actual temperature of the room is not going down at all when we're using a fan, so don't fall into that trap. Now, there are some items that you could put on here twice. Alarm clock you could put under light, and you could put alarm clock again under sound. All right, so I'm going to turn you loose. You do need to make sure you answer the question at the bottom, which says, how would your life be different if humans could not transform electrical energy into other types? So what would you not be able to do, and how would you solve that problem if you were unable to do that? We've had lots of really creative answers today. Okay, let me show you how you can insert some pictures and labels, into your maybe. And I'm just fumbling over here, so sorry. I'm trying to get out of present mode, and it's not wanting to let me get out of present mode. Okay, finally, I am out of present mode. So I can go to Insert, Image, Search the Web. And then I can come over here to the side when the search bar pops up, and I can say alarm clock. And hopefully it'll find one. I'm about to have some kids running in the classroom because it's very close to dismissal time. Hopefully it won't get too loud before we get this done. All right, so I would pick an alarm clock, and I'm looking for a digital one. I didn't seem to get any digital ones, because I'm looking for the ones that, have light. These don't have light. All right, here we go. So I'm going to click on this one and insert it into my presentation. I am going to shrink it way down. And then I'm going to add a text box by clicking on the little T at the top. And right here, I'm going to type, hopefully, alarm clock. All right. Hey guys, I'm trying to record for the at-home learners. Could you come in quietly? Eric, could you come in quietly, please? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so this is what it would look like. If you wanted to also put this one under sound energy, you can click on the picture, hit shift on your keyboard and click on the words. You can control C to copy, control V to paste, and then slide it over also under sound. All right, hopefully that gave you a good idea of what we're supposed to do. I don't know why my picture didn't move, but you'll be able to move the picture. All right, thanks for watching.